This is the Asus RT-BE86U, and Asus says it's a next-gen Wi-Fi 7 powerhouse. But after a couple weeks stress testing this thing, I found out it's actually worth serious attention, especially if you're tired of buffering during your Mario Kart matches. Stick around, you might be surprised how much it changes your network game. Asus RT-BE86U Product Overview. What's the deal here? This is the Asus RT-BE86U, a dual-band Wi-Fi 7 router Asus launched around October 2024. It's built for tech-savvy households, gamers, streamers, creators, anyone looking for lightning-fast speeds and flexible port options. At launch, it retailed around $329 to $340. It stands out by skipping the 6 GHz tri-band setup, but doubling down on top-tier features like MLO and multi-gig ports. Asus RT-BE86U Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it perform in real life? In my testing, streaming a 4K race replay while my partner downloaded an update, the RT-BE86U didn't bat an eye. No lag, no buffering. That's backed by Tom's hardware, class-leading 5 GHz performance, especially at distance. Dong even clocked sustained real-world 5 GHz rates over 2 gigabits with rock-solid coverage across a 2,500 square foot home. Meanwhile, wired tests showed that its multi-gig ports delivered over 2.3 gigabits sustained. Great if you're moving big files between PCs or NAS. That said, on the 2.4 GHz side, not so hot. It lagged behind budget models like the Archer BE3600 in short-range congested tests. So if your smart lights or older IoT gadgets live there, expect modest performance. Features and tech. Let's break down the 3 standout perks and why you'll actually care. MLO, or multi-link operation. It can combine 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for more stability and speed. In theory, that means fewer dropouts in busy Wi-Fi environments. Dong notes performance gains weren't massive, but it's nice to have under the hood. Multi-gig ports and flexibility. One 10 gigabit WAN LAN port and 4 2.5 gigabit LAN WAN ports let you funnel fat wires throughout your setup, perfect for future-proofing NAS servers or high-speed wired links. You can even set up dual WAN or aggregate ports or use your phone as a backup WAN. Serious network nerds, this one's for you. Software suite and gamer perks. Asus delivers a loaded firmware, robust parental controls, screen time limits, traffic monitoring, built-in online protection, AiMesh support, and a nice gaming port and QoS features. No subscription needed. Perfect if you're building a mesh or want deep customization. Design and build. Physically, this router looks like a sleek vertical tower, modern, compact, with 3 posable antennas you can tweak for better signals. Tom's noted clean front LEDs and thoughtful ventilation. Touch-wise, it's all plastic, but it feels sturdy, and it stays cool even under load. No fans means silent operation. If you're styling a battle station or minimalist office, it won't hog space or stand out like a flying saucer. Downside? No wall mount option, so plan accordingly. Pros. Blazing 5 GHz Wi-Fi 7 speeds, especially at range, solid coverage and stability. Multi-gig wired ports plus configurable WAN LAN options, great for future planning or wired pros. Asus software suite is loaded, AiMesh, QoS, parental controls, dual WAN, all without a la carte fees. Cons. Pricey. At $329, you're paying tri-band money for a dual-band router. 2.4 GHz performance lags behind more affordable options. No 6 GHz band or wall mount option, which some future-proof setups may want. Final verdict. So, here's the real talk. If you've got a gig-plus internet connection, stream 4K, game online, or need ultra-fast wired transfers, this router is a legitimate upgrade. It's a smart pick for gamers, creative professionals, and anyone building a future-ready home network who values high bandwidth and customization. On the flip side, if your internet is under 500 megabits, your house is small, or most devices are 2.4 GHz only, you could probably save some cash with a Wi-Fi 6E or simpler Wi-Fi 7 model and still feel satisfied. Also, if you want full tri-band support or wall mounting, something like the RT-BE92U or even the TP-Link Archer BE800 might fit your needs better.